CS4, another music video. Semifinals, ang ginagawa namin ngayon. CS4, magingay! Ang kanta nga pala ngayon, Desire Love Triangle, covered by Edwin and Karen. At aming spectator, si Richard. Follow us on Facebook, facebook.com/CS4 and twitter.com/CS4. Salamat nga pala sa sponsor namin, t-shirt namin, CS4 Music Company. 3 minuto, Karen and Edwin.
Every time I think of you, I get a shine right through me to the bottom. It's no problem of mine, but it's a problem of mine. Living a life that I cannot take me on. There's no sense in telling me the wisdom of a fool won't set you free. There's no ways that it goes and ways but nobody knows it. Every day my confusion grows. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray. I'm waiting for the final moment. You say the words that I can't say. I feel fine and I feel good. I feel like I never should. Whenever I get this way, I just don't know what to say. We can't be ourselves like we were yesterday. I'm not sure what this could mean. I don't think I know what you sing. I do admit to myself that if I hurt someone else, then never see just we were meant to be. 'Cause every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray. I'm waiting for the final moment. You say the words that I can't say. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray. I'm waiting for the final moment. You say the words that I can't say.
Tay! Narinig niyo po yung cover nila Karen at Edwin. Grabe! Hindi natin masasabi kung papasok to sa finals, pero grabe talaga yung laban na to. Napakatindi ng ginawa nila. Mahirap na decide ang mga judge. So yung crowd na yung bahala. Grabe! Natin masasabi. Tingnan natin sa mga judges.
Magaling yung pagkakanta nung Karen. Magaling din yung gitara nung Edwin. Panalo. Kaya binibigay ko 5 puntos sa kanila dire-diretso. Round 1, round 2, round 3. Karen, Edwin.
Bali, magaling yung pagkakanta nila dito. Kaso nga lang, minsan nag-choke si Karen eh. Kaya, medyo 4 points lang bibigay ko para sa kanila. Pero all in all, magaling sila lahat. Okay na.
Oh. Apakatindi ng lab. Grabe. Sana hindi na lang ako nag-judge dito. Apakahirap. Hindi. Ganito. Yung pagbato ng mga freestyle niya, nalulupit. Pero, nung nag-rebat na yung isa, talagang saan yun lang ako nag-judge dito. Ibigay ko ang boto ko, 5-0 para kay Edwin. Sunod-sunod. Grabe. Nahirapan yung mga judge natin sa pagboto. Huling beses, magingay! Grabe, di natin lang sino mananalo pagdating natin ng finals. Laban nga pala ulit, Karen, Edwin. Ang boto, 5-0 para kay Edwin.
Magaling yung kalaban. Pero talagang walang bilat bat sa akin.
No comment.